Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today we're going to learn the contour stitch. All right, so contour stitch is interesting because it gets searched a lot online, but it comes up as outline stitch. So in my research, I've found that contour stitch really just means a sort of a stitch that you would use for outlining. And the most common is probably the outline or the stem stitch. They're very similar. So I'm going to show you how to do that one, and then just keep in mind that if you're wanting to do a contour stitch, there is creative license. You're allowed to do kind of whatever you want for the contour stitch, but the outline stitch is the most commonly used stitch. So we'll knot our thread, we'll come up from the back, starting right to left. And what we're going to do, let's go down, then we'll come up right in the middle. And go to the next stitch. And then you go to your next stitch, and then this one goes down in the middle and meets that other stitch that you made before. So you're essentially you're putting the needle in right next to where this stitch was, that's right in the middle of the previous stitch. So it creates a little bit of it looks kind of twisty, kind of woven, but it is very, very similar to, if not identical to, stem stitch. Hopefully that helps. When something says do a contour stitch, it really just means do an outlining stitch, and you can use whichever stitch you're the most comfortable with, but for the sake of this video, the contour stitch and the outline stitch are essentially the same thing. So there you have it, that's the contour stitch.